Do you know how to solve this equation? Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math quickly and directly, with hands-on exercises. Subscribe to the channel. Give your feedback by subscribing and leaving a like. Shall we solve the equation? First, let's move everything with x to the left side, 7x. 11 is positive, so it becomes negative minus 11x, and the numbers go to the right side. Minus 5, and the 3, which is positive, goes to the other side as negative, minus 3. 7x minus 11 is minus 4x, equals minus 5 minus 3, which is minus 8. Now let's move the 4 to the right side. Repeat the x. X equals minus 8 divided by minus 4. Since here it's multiplying, when it moves over, it divides. So we have x equals minus times minus, which is plus. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Simple, straight to the point. Here's the answer to the equation. Did you get it? Leave it in the comments. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.